Hi everyone, this is Bryce with Crawldaddy, and today I'm going to explain our database reactivation feature. And I know a lot of marketing agencies say they do database reactivation, but they do not know how to do this in the Crawlspace industry, and so that's why we have special tailored messages for Crawlspace leads that went cold, and we have a list of like 8 kinds of leads that are prime candidates to reactivate through this method. So to explain what a database reactivation is, basically it's us um, automating messages to your existing client base or your prior client base or old clients that went with you for like a free inspection but never followed through with any of your services. So if I scroll to this section here, the 8 types of candidates that we hope to target and get you more business from are unsold estimates. So these are homeowners who received a scope and a price or a quote but never approved the work. Past free inspections. So these are people that wanted a free inspection or requested a free inspection from you guys, but never actually followed through with the work. Leads that stopped responding. Maybe these are people that reached out to you without you ever hearing back to them. Um, Past customers. So these are people that could do like a vapor barrier installation or simply like a dehumidifier installation, but you could probably prompt them to get like a full encapsulation. Previous moisture inquiries. So this basically kind of falls in with like people that had a free inspection before. Financing. So full encapsulation jobs are not cheap. So sometimes homeowners have second thoughts, right, and might not follow through with a full encapsulation or any of your high ticket jobs just due to their financial circumstances. Seasonal follow ups. So yeah, as we all know, like some seasons are worse for crawl spaces than others. Like in the dry months, your crawl space is not gonna have that many issues, whereas for those heavy rainy seasons, a lot of moisture can get into your crawl space, and especially like in humid areas too. So maybe like for this category, people were contacting you at a time when their crawl space issues were not that bad, right? And then maybe they've gotten worse. So that's a good time for us to target them and ask them like to check upon their crawl space. Um, and lastly, existing agent contacts. So these are agents that you have worked with and people within the agent network that you can prompt to get more business out of. So those are the 8 groups that we really want to target, and these are some sample messages on how we would message them, right? So, hi, um, insert the name here. You previously spoke with our team about working at here. Did you ever get that crawl space issue handled, or is the project still something you're considering? So the thing about crawl spaces is that the issues never really go away. They just get worse during like the humid months, right? So it's about timing and trying to prompt them with messages like this to bring more attention to their crawl space and get them to think about whether or not they need a full encapsulation. So we'd ask like how the condition changed and then keep try to stay in contact with them, right? So by setting automated messages like this, we can help you revive some of those contacts that stopped contacting you and get you a lot of more business, especially during slow months when people are not paying attention to their crawl space. Yeah, the who is database reactivation for? This is for people who are, sorry, this is for contractors who have worked with a lot of people that fall into these 8 categories and can potentially get them to move forward with, service for your business. So this is better for established contractors who have a long list of clientele or inactive clientele, right? Um, for example, people that just went through with a dehumidifier installation or a vapor barrier installation, but never went through with a full level encapsulation. So you can also try to upsell them, right? And included in these like messages we could send, like let's say you were doing an offer, we could say like you have 10% off or something like that, or we'll give you like some kind of like deal that's exclusive, right? That's within a certain time frame, right? So database reactivation is good for that. And what we hope database reactivation does for you is that during your slow months, such as like the hot summer months, that people, when your business slows down and you have idle crews, that we can maybe prompt some more people to prompt some leads, get you a more consistent business flow. So like let's say you want us to activate or do perform database reactivation between the months of July and August, or like just the month of July and August, for example, right? When business is slow, we can do that for you. So yeah, if you have any questions, please look through the rest of this page, and we're happy to help you and look forward to contacting with you guys. Thank you.